Hi, everybody. So I'm going to do a really brief video on DICE assignments. So we do DICE assignments in pretty much all of my classes, primarily in psychology and in U.S. history. So DICE is actually an acronym that stands for Daily Inquiry, Check, and Evaluation. So basically, there are some assignments that we do in class that the practice is actually really good for you, and it will help you to do well on an assessment. But it's not necessarily something I have to grade with a scrutinizing eye, meaning I don't have to go through every element of what you did in order to practice a skill in order to give you a grade. So what we do is we'll do these DICE assignments, and I'll always let you know in class which assignment is a non-DICE assignment and which one is a DICE assignment. Those that are DICE assignment, we will roll the dice and decide which of the DICE assignments will turn in a segmented period of time. So for instance, our very first DICE assignment that is due is going to be on September 10th and 11th. Now, we may have one DICE assignment, we may have two DICE assignments, we may have three DICE assignments. Depending on how the DICE assignments add up for the time period from when we start school until we roll the dice on the 10th if you're an A class, on the 11th if you're a B class, that is the list of assignments that we're going to use. And I will have them in my whiteboard area of the room where we have our agenda. So let's say that we have three assignments that we had from the beginning of school to the day that we roll the dice. So three assignments. Well, if we roll a number one, we're going to turn in assignment number one. If we roll a number two, we're going to turn in assignment number two that's on the list. If we roll a number three, we'll turn in assignment number three that's on the list. But remember, there's only three assignments. So what happens if we roll a 4, 5, or 6? Well, if we roll a 4 or 5, what I will do is I'll leave it up to a vote. Okay, we'll use the democratic system, and we'll leave it up to a vote as to which of the three assignments we'll choose. So therefore, it's up to the class. It's a class vote, but everybody in the class will turn in the same assignment. So it's a majority rule situation. If we roll a 6, and this document explains all of this, if we roll a 6, that's my choice. That's teacher choice, okay? So who gets to roll the dice? Well, that's going to change on a weekly basis. On the weeks that we're supposed to roll the dice, I will pick somebody at random to be our dice roller for our class. So that's kind of how it works. Not every class will turn in the same dice assignment because the dice will roll differently for each class, okay? So that's how it works, guys. That's the DICE assignments. Honestly, it'll make most sense when we do it for the first time in class and when you turn in your first DICE assignment. Hopefully that'll, like I said, make more sense when we do it. All right, guys, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.